Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6:45 p.m. PDT. At 3:33 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Yucca Valley, Joshua Tree and Morongo Valley. These are the